Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. There often comes a time in every young man's life where he meets the person he believes most special to him. While young love is beautiful, there also often comes a time where one person realizes it just isn't working for them and the relationship ends. When this happens, the young man may not know what to do next. Hi, my name is Abraham Kirkland, and if that sounds like you, you're in the right place. By the end of this 6-step program, you'll be on your way to forgetting your ex-partner and fulfillingly filling the void left in your life by their absence. Let's get into it. The first step towards overcoming a love split is finding new interests to keep yourself busy with. You could improve your skills at that video game you've been intermittently playing. You could cook that recipe you've always been wanting to try. Or learn to finally master Sorry, the board game, and emerge victorious over your friends like you've always hoped. As they say, a hobby a day keeps the thoughts away.
Second step towards overcoming a love split is prioritizing you. Attend to the responsibilities you hadn't had time for prior. Do whatever you feel you need to do, as long as whatever you do is for you. During this time, you may receive messages from your ex-partner or otherwise asking to speak. It is imperative that you ignore these messages. However, there may come a time where you are unable to do so. Whether or not these messages are actually from your ex-partner or something much more sinister, it's best not to worry. Complete avoidance of everything outside your singular young male perspective is of the essence. The third step in coping with a breakup is spending time with friends. Social activity is essential in getting back to feeling like yourself again after the end of a relationship. Ideally, such a social gathering is done doing one of the activities you learn to appreciate in step 1, as double the strategies means double the effectiveness. Remember, avoidance is of the essence. If your friends attempt to bring the conversation towards the topic of your love split, divert them with a witty bit of ironic detachment, such as,
Of course I'm okay.
or,
I'm gonna get sorry, why would I not be okay?
if your friends can't feel it, neither can.
Hello? Who's there?
Hey, you okay, man?
I'm gonna get sorry, why would I not be okay?
Step 4. Art is one of the most beautiful ways to express emotion, and music is no exception. Artists such as Taylor Swift, Olivia Rodrigo, and Bon Iver all have beautiful discographies littered with wonderful breakup ballads to find some comfort in these trying times. However, if your sole goal is to block out the noise, any music will work to accomplish this step. You may be tempted to find out more information about your situation or attempt any sort of introspection. However, as we said in step 2, avoidance of your feelings is of the essence. It is important to suppress any impulses that may stray the plane of your brain. That leads us to step 5. Hide. It's not real. It's never been real. Why should you worry about it? Why give it a single second of your attention? All you need to do is hide, and it'll all go away with time. Eventually, you won't be able to hide anymore. Maybe it gets too loud, or maybe it's started to quiet to the point of feeling like it's not even there anymore. For whatever reason, weakness will overcome you. When that happens, you'll finally be ready for step 6.
Oh hi, I didn't see you there. That's how you successfully forget your ex-partner and move on from your relationship. I hope this tutorial has been conducive towards filling the void in your life.